Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you want to see the last scene on Snapchat of a specific friend, you are in the right place. Today I'm going to show you how to see last scene on Snapchat. So let's get right into it. Once you're in your Snapchat account, head over to your inbox and tap on the profile or Bitmoji you wanna see a last scene of. Suppose I want to see of these, and as you can see in the Snap Map, the location is sharing and the last scene is already sharing, that is 1 minute ago. So yeah, this was pretty easy, right? If the location sharing is on, then you can always see the last scene on Snapchat of your desired friends. Yeah, so it was pretty easy, right? If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And we will see you in the next video.